you can adjust the font size in your PowerPoint presentation like you would for a Word document in Microsoft Word. In order to adjust your font in a presentation on your slide, you're going to select the slide that you want to make the adjustments to. So we're going to make the adjustments to our title slide. So to adjust font, click where you have your text and a box will appear. This is your text box, and this is where you can make your adjustments as needed. And as you will see at the top here, with the home toolbar selected, you have several options. You have font and paragraph. So we're going to look at these two particular boxes, and I want to change the size of my text and the font. So in order to do that, as you can see, it's selected, the cursor is blinking, so I'm going to click and drag my cursor across my presentation, or across the words that I want to adjust. As you can see, it's highlighted, and then a box will appear, which you can use this box or you can use the box at the top. So we're going to adjust the font by selecting right here. We're going to select the arrow down, and a menu will appear, and it will give you hundreds of choices of font. You can simply run your mouse across the different choices. Now remember, this is a visual presentation, so you want to pick something that the audience will be able to see, preferably something bold and block letters. I would try to stay away from anything with cursive or script because it's harder to read. So I'm going to do Arial Black. So I select that and it'll change that. Now remember, keep it highlighted, so do not click anything on your page. Now I want to change the font size. So right next to it you will see a number at the top here next to your font selection. Select the arrow down. As you can see, the size of this is 44. I want to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to select 54. But you can run your mouse across and see different sizes. As you can see, I selected 54 and it makes my font bigger for my title slide. So again, that's how you adjust the font and the size. Now I want to adjust maybe the boldness of it. You can italicize it, again, leaving it highlighted. Don't click your page, otherwise it will unhighlight it. See, if I click, it unhighlights it. So I want to go back and I want to reselect it. So I click the text and I click and drag to make sure my font or my text is highlighted. Then right here you can bold it, italicize it, underline it. Now you may want to adjust your position or how it is centered on the page, and that is done here in the paragraph box. Now as you can see, you have several line choices here underneath the bullets and numbers. This is left alignment, this is center alignment, this is right, and this is back to left. So you want to do center alignment for usually for title slides or titles, and that's what I'm going to leave it on. And I really don't need to arrange or change anything with my cover slide or my presentation slide, so I'm going to just click again somewhere in the page and I'm all set. Now as you can see, I clicked here down in the subtitle box. Again, it's the same rules apply and the same principles. You would just highlight what you have typed and come to your top here where it says font, adjust the font size accordingly, and then adjust your alignment according to how you see it is visually fit. And that's how you adjust font and alignment with PowerPoint presentation.